Alright, now I'm ready to insert my batteries. I have my 4D batteries, and you have to pay attention to which end is your positive, which is your negative. Your negative end is going to go where the spring is. So I'm going to take and push this down, and then I'll have to push this down to get the second one in. And to insert these, I'm going to push up on that one. Those two are in, and I'm going to have to lay this down to insert this last one. Okay, once my batteries are in, I'm going to get this D2 piece, and I should have 3 wires here. I have this orange and black, and I have just an orange and a red and black wire. And I'm going to thread all 3 of these wires through right here on the D3 piece. D2 piece. And just pull those through. This one's kind of long and it doesn't want to come through. There it is. Okay. And then you're just going to pop this down on here, like this. You've pulled your wires through. Then you're going to take your last 3 P13 screws and you're going to insert them. These 1, 2, 3. And tighten. Now we're ready to connect some of our wires. We're going to take this control board here, and we are going to make sure that this end is facing this end of the robot. You're first going to attach your orange and black wire, and they're going to attach here. You're just going to slide them right on and just push it all the way up. Then you're going to attach your orange wire back here. And again, I'm just going to slide it. I'm turning it the wrong way. Going to make sure that you have this side up, that you can see the wire in there. Slide it on. And then the last one to attach is going to be your red and black wire. And this time you want the side with the 2 white things on top, you want them facing up. And it's going to fit into this white piece. So just slide that right in. Okay, and this is what it's going to look like once you have all your wires connected. Then you're going to take P12 screws. You should have 3 of them. You're going to have to kind of feed some of these wires back down in here. And get one started. Notice the 1, 2, 3 screws to hold the board in place. Next you're ready to cover this, and you're going to take this V2 piece and the 2 ends that look like they had these little round pieces like bolts are going to go down on this end. This is just going to fit right over the top, cover those wires, and you're going to secure that with one P14 screw, which is going to be inserted right here. And now it's secure. Now it's very important that you get this wiring correct. If you'll notice on right here, you see the letter M, that's for your motor. And then there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, and an L, and that's for the light that you attached at the front here. So you need to make sure that you're plugging in the correct place. Your M1 for your first motor is the yellow and black wire, and it's going to be on the right side. Also, if you'll pull the light wire, which is up at the front, and it's a red and black, it's a long red and black wire. So that's going to be your L. And this is your M1 and your L. Then on the left side, you have two blue and black. The top one is your M2, and the bottom one is your M3 motor. And then this orange and black is your M4 motor. So you're going to just push these down to plug them in the correct order. And I'm going to start with my M1, which is the yellow and black, and I'm going to push it into the very first slot. And I want the black flat side to be facing my arm. So I'm going to push that down. Not too hard, just until it's in there. Next I'm going to attach the light. Let's wait. Let's do the M2 next, which is a blue and black. It's the top blue and black. Again, I'm going to make my black flat side. And I'm just going to push it into place where the M2 is labeled. Then I'm going to do the M3, push it into place. My M4, push it into place. And finally, my light, I'm going to bring that to make sure it's on the same side as the M1. And push it. So now I have all these plugged in here in the correct order. Alright, these wires are just hanging here and they're all messy, so we want to make that a little neater. You have 3 wire clips, and each one has a peel off back, sticky back. So we're going to take that first one, peel it off. Now the open end where you're going to thread your wires through should be facing out, away from your robot. And you're going to place it, there's a circle here, and then on this yellow piece where you plugged your wires, there's these 3 little notches. You're going to place it like about halfway in between there with the open end of the clip facing out, and you're just going to push it up against the yellow piece and just try to get it straight so it looks neat, and press it down and it'll stick right there. And then you're going to peel a second clip, and you're going to place it about this in the same location on the other side, again making sure that the open end of the clip is facing out. And then the third one, peel the back off of it, And if you'll turn your arm around, this is where your M1 motor, your yellow and black wire. There's a little knob that sticks out, and you're going to place the open end up, and you're going to put it like right underneath there. Just like that. And then you're just going to fit your wires in, pop them down in. Now, if you'll notice on the arm here, there is a piece, and you can just slide the wires in there. This time I'm going to put the yellow and black wire in, and I'm going to thread this orange and black one from the light also. So that all these wires are just kind of neat and out of the way. I just have the two blue and blacks. We're going to put those through this piece on the side, just like we did on the other side. Just take them one at a time, pop them in. And now you can see that just now the wires aren't just going everywhere. They're just kind of nice and neat and tucked beside the arm. Now, your robotic arm is fully assembled, but it's not ready to operate yet. Now we have to do the control box. And that's going to be our next step.